There she is. Old, wrecked but rebuilt. Ready to go. Wires hanging out of the hood. What a treat. What a nice truck. Wiring disaster. Cowl not even on. Tunes don't even work. But boy, she's come back complete. I know for a fact she's low on coolant, but I don't really care. Yes, you are in the steering wheel. Ah, the horn sounds worse now. Ah, there you go. There you go. I'm holding you with the side hand. Hold on. She's alive. Definitely not the happiest. Ah, I'm done. Luckily that didn't cause any damage. I want to take pictures of her on the top of the hill. I don't mind the bandage on my face. That's because I got a bug bite and kept scratching it, and I don't want to scratch it anymore because I don't want another scar. My face is my money maker. I'm kidding, I don't make money with my face. This truck's my money maker. And she's not doing much of anything at the moment. Man, it's cold. She's a whistler. That's probably the low coolant. There's a loose inner fender. I'm gonna take. Well, the pictures are not gonna be the best because I just realized the cowl is still off of it. But dang, she looked fine. You may not be able to see it as easy because it's kind of cooling down, but I do got exhaust leaks. See them coming out of the bed sides. But dang, she's running fine. Can't wait till I get her on the road. Student driver. Good old faithful. The right to keep and bear arms. We the people. She's running fine, but crank up that heat. Oh yeah, the heat does work in this truck. Nah, you're not drifting it yet. You got too much loose stuff in the cabin, Chris. You're gonna wreck everything. This is a sketchy drive. You said you wanted to work on your truck, not just drive it around. Why is this more scary than when I drove it around with a plywood fender? Oh no. Oh, never mind. I didn't lose my hardware. Almost did. I definitely need to hook up more body grounds. He's definitely not got all of them. He runs pretty good. Hill girl. He's doing much nothing. I just realized I can't turn around because my brother parked too close to the tree. Well, you know what that means. Recorded. Yeah, she runs pretty good. She drives pretty good. I gotta turn around because my brother parked. Funky. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It died. She runs pretty good. She drives pretty good. It died. It died. It died. It died. She died. Yeah. She runs pretty good. She drives. Alright, back in front of the barn you go until I put your inner fender back in. And maybe put a charging system. That door's not latched fully. Not gonna lie, that was really nerve-wracking. I keep having to put my foot on the brake and have the gas going just so it doesn't die. She died on the road. Yep, she definitely does have some issues to work through. I mean, she is cold. And the computer's been long since reset from being shut off for a long time. I mean, it may be put a lot more together. I can hear I'm not running the best. Because look at this mangled wiring here. And look at this. She doesn't run the best because she doesn't have a charging system. She's running off of low voltage. You heard her crank over on the line. So old reliable, good old faithful. I love baby. She's such a good truck. And she just died on the road. But she started back up. That's the one thing. That's the one thing that matters. Yeah, plow truck. You were a good truck. But this truck's better. This one's road legal. I'm stealing my mustache back, by the way. I put that on you just to make you look a little better. But I want it for my truck in case if my custom repaired with zip ties does not work the way I want it to. But that's it for tonight. I'm going in. I'm cold enough that I keep stuttering and my knee is currently shaking. I can't wait till it gets warm again. That's Chuck. We'll be putting in some work. I got a lot of trees. A lot of those are being chopped up, cleaned out. Especially those. Those ones are a hazard. One's already split in half. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you later. Peace.